Konforza is a startup that envisioned a product with the same name, aiming to create a web-first platform for the management of wind turbine installation projects. From a conceptual standpoint, the goal was to manufacture a platform where wind turbine project managers and freelance contractors could interact for wind installation projects in a unique collaborative experience. From talent acquisition to project management, the platform would digitally orchestrate processes needed for installing wind turbines. Technically speaking, the challenge was to collaborate in providing custom software development services for developing a multi-actor software system composed of a web-first SBA that would consume a mix of REST and Websocket APIs, which would be hosted on a cloud infrastructure. As a result, the first version of the Konforza platform has been developed in a period of 4 months. At present, it has evolved past its MVP and is experiencing market traction across Europe.